Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making a remedy that will keep you looking very healthy. So this remedy will help to take away sickness from you. So in case you are new here and have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So this remedy, guys, is filled with important ingredients that will help so much to make sure you are looking very healthy. With this drink, no more sickness. With this drink, you always stay very healthy. I'll be making this drink with important ingredients. I'll help you so much to make you look younger. Your skin will just be glowing and glowing and glowing. Yeah, the ingredients are very simple, very natural, very healthy. It works by flushing away toxins from your blood. It's going to cleanse you in and out. So you want to take away sickness from you, you just have to continue washing because this remedy is for you. So do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like and share this video to everyone. So let's go straight into the making of this remedy that will make you to never fall sick again. To take away sickness from you, to always look very healthy, to boost your immune system, the first ingredient you have to get is apple. And apples are very good. One apple a day will help to get rid of sickness from you. It's best to make a drink out of it anyway. Apples are rich in soluble fiber like pectin, which may reduce the inflammation associated with obesity-related diseases. So it also helps to strengthen up your immune system, get rid of infection. Yes, this will as well make it look always young. With this, you will never fall sick anymore. Okay, so this is a powerful immune booster that you always need to consume. So what you have to do is to wash it very well. So I've already washed it. The next thing to do is to cut it into smaller size. So next we have here is cucumber, and cucumbers are so very important for the body, very important for the skin. Cucumbers are very high in many important vitamins and minerals, contains antioxidants, promotes hydration, extends to its high water content, lower blood sugar. It will help to flush away toxins from your body and keep you looking always very healthy. Your skin will look very healthy and younger at the same time. You will glow and glow and glow. You should add it into this because it will really help you so much. So just like apple, I'll be transferring it into the blender also. So next we have here is garlic. So garlic is just very awesome. It has antiviral properties which helps to prevent flu, flush away toxins from your system, clean your blood, fight infections. So if you hate garlic, and there you just have to give it a trial, okay, because garlic is just very wonderful. So it's very powerful immune booster to prevent sickness. So I'll just peel off, get rid of the peel. You don't really need so much, okay, just little amount is okay. You can just use only 2 like this for 1 glass cup. But I love garlic a lot, so I always add more than 2. With this, you will hardly sick, okay? You will hardly fall sick because it will just cleanse you in and out. It will flush away toxins, infections that always make you to fall sick. So you just have to get the ingredients and make a drink out of them. So the next we have here is lemon. So I'm actually going to be making use of the juice in it, that is the lemon juice. Okay, so this is actually an ugly lemon. Yes, as you can see it, yeah, it's actually scarce right now. I've been looking for lemon to no avail, but this is actually very good. It's a local lemon. It has a lot of water in it. So lemon juice is very important, guys. It's a great antioxidant which boosts immune system. It's filled with vitamin C, takes care of cold, flu, cough, and catarrh. You want to take away sickness from you, you always need to add this into your drink. But in case you don't have lemon juice, you can just go ahead and make use of lime. Okay, so I'll just cut it open to squeeze out the juice, and I will just get rid of the seed. Okay, so I'll just add a little water and go blend it. I'll be right back. So after the blending, the next thing to do, I'm going to strain it out. Yes, with the help of my strainer, I'll just pass the juice through it and extract the juice out of it, So look at it, guys, looking so very healthy. So this will also help to lower high blood pressure. I'm going to transfer it into a glass cup. Okay, so the remaining one, I'll just keep it aside. I will still drink it. So this is so good, very, very healthy, very healthy. So this is what you should be taking morning and night. Okay, yes, this will help you so much to boost your immune system, get rid of flu, get rid of cold, catarrh. It will help to lower your blood pressure. It will flush away toxins from you, make your skin to glow and look very young. This is what you need in case you want to stay looking every day young. So you have to take 1 full glass cup like this in the morning and 1 glass like this at night, before or after food. So this is what you should prepare and store it in the refrigerator. Be taking it morning and night 2 times daily, and you are good to go. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you have not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell as well so you get notified when I upload videos. So I'll see you in my next video.